Professor Thomas Schulze, you are the chair of World Psychiatry Association, and how do you evaluate the importance of this dialogue open between psychoanalysis and psychiatry for address clinical problems concerning practical issues in psychiatry and mental health contemporary?
Yeah, well, first of all, thanks for having me today at this meeting of the psychoanalysis section here of the WPA here in New York at Mount Sinai. It was really a pleasure. It was my first physical presence at your meeting.
You were in Campinas?
Yes, I was virtual, but now virtual is not the real thing, especially I think for psychoanalysis. You have to live it. And so as president-elect of the WPA, it was really a pleasure to be part of it. And to your question, I said this today. I, for myself, at one point when I was secretary for scientific sections, wondered why do we have a psychotherapy section and a psychoanalysis section? And I thought, isn't psychoanalysis part of psychotherapy? Today, I must say, I understand why we have two. You guys are, yes, you are, and for me, an important part of psychiatry. So, but again, we discussed this today. There's something between, you are somewhere between science and art. You also, or you combine both. And this also gives you an amazing depth and wealth to discuss things from a different perspective that in a typically neuroscience-driven psychiatry is not the case. So you really inspire us, and I think your way, I realized this today, your way of discussing problems, digging deep, is really important sometimes, and not always maybe, but sometimes it's needed. And I think we can take this, your experience, your wealth, and inspire our field. So we need to have more debates like the ones we had today. So in that regard, it's really great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.